back to Cooking with Coach. Today we brought in our head cross-country coach, Coach Vidal.
Hey.
We have our head chef, Brody.
How's it going?
And I'm Miss V. And today we also want to make a special shout out to Dion's Pizza. Thank you so much for partnering with us, and they donated pizza kits so that we can get this going with Coach Vidal.
Dion's is unironically my favorite pizza in Roswell. So.
It is my favorite too. It's always been my favorite.
It's pretty good. I enjoy Dion's quite a bit.
It's pretty good.
We actually want to see if Coach Vidal, he runs 5 miles for fun, but we want to see if he can handle a pizza.
Definitely. For sure can handle a pizza.
This is the only time that I'm going to say that we can overdo it on the carbs.
Like, by handling a pizza, do you mean like eating the whole pizza by myself? Because I could do that.
We could do like a speed challenge, like how fast can you eat whole pizza?
Make it, then eat it.
All right.
Sounds
let's
like go.
A deal.
These pizza kits are really convenient whether you have a family or if you're alone on Valentine's Day. They come with everything you need. You get your house-made dough, all the cheese you need, and you can customize it to whether you want bacon, pepperoni, pretty much anything you want. And you get their house-made sauce, all for you to customize your very own pizza.
Which they did give us the option. They asked what toppings we wanted. I chose just pepperoni. I'm a classic pepperoni kind of gal, but I do wish it had some green chili. What are your favorite toppings, Dion?
My favorite toppings, I think like the supreme ones go with bell peppers and bacon and
I think Brody's a pineapple on pizza.
You're not gonna do this.
I knew it. I knew it.
Actually, yeah.
You know, it's just written all over your face.
Well, that's fine.
Alright, let's get started. I'm hungry.
So, first things first, we gotta flour the pan and stretch out the dough. Coach Vidal's gonna handle this masterfully. Wow.
That was beautiful.
Look at this technique. I've never seen anything like this. Wow.
Just spread it all out.
Dude, thanks.
Perfect.
Then?
Vidal, did you learn that from, do you dust some flour on your students to get them to run faster?
Yeah, if you tend to throw things at them, they tend to pick up the pace and get a little bit quicker throughout the workout.
Makes sense.
Yep, fair enough.
Gotta find motivation everywhere.
Yeah.
Alright, here's our dough.
Alright, I'll grab it then.
Okay, we can't throw the dough at the students though.
Why not?
Because it tastes good.
Because it tastes good, yeah.
Listen, you can do anything, right? Anything you put your mind to. So first things first, as a master pizza maker myself, we're actually gonna figure out how to stretch out this dough together. So I think we're just gonna do this for a while.
You gotta work fast.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think that Coach Vidal's fast enough.
Yeah, look
for
at it. I
this.
think you can do this. You're a cross-country coach, right? You know fast.
I don't know. I've never done a pizza like that. Usually I put it down and just start rolling it.
You gotta build up the gluten.
Build up the gluten?
You gotta build up the gluten.
I know a guy that can't eat gluten. It's kind of weak of him, but
You know, for being such a big guy, that small thing
Such
called
a
gluten really,
Massive guy, really.
really does hurt him. The last time, I'm glad Vidal said that he's not allergic to gluten, because the last time we invited somebody on here that was allergic to gluten, Boggs, we had to eat blueberry, what was it?
Blueberry cheese.
Blueberry grilled cheese.
I don't think I've
start spinning this and flipping it in the air.
Yeah, dude, start flipping it.
Let's see your skills.
Yeah. And could you just imagine seeing a guy eat a burrito, but just open up the burrito and eat the insides? I mean, it's disturbing. Truly, it is.
Yeah, you can't allow him back in our kitchen.
No, he's never allowed.
That looks pretty good, actually. I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
it looks.
It does
You gotta
that.
toss
Just
it.
Toss
Toss it in there. Just don't drop it.
If you drop it, then that's okay.
I don't know, it's a little sticky.
Oh yeah,
man.
look at this.
I'm scared.
No, I'm not
Do you
gonna
wanna
get
give
any
it a try?
prepper than that.
You want to go try?
Yeah.
Yeah, you try it.
All right. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Watch.
Not very good at that
watch
either.
You gotta hit it.
Oh,
That's how you
you
do it right
practice
there.
this at home, don't you?
I don't. Oh, and there it goes.
Oh,
That's
wow.
why.
That's why we don't do that.
All right.
Boys and girls, don't throw the pizza in there.
So the hole is actually a part of the process.
That was meant to happen.
It was meant to happen. Actually, it's better if your pizza has a hole in it, because then you can put whatever you want in the middle, and it won't, it won't escape.
I don't think that's not how we.
I think it's fine. I really do. I think it's okay. Wow. I mean,
I prefer my pizza with dough. So
I don't know what you're talking about.
let's fix that.
Clearly, you've never made a pizza before.
You don't put holes in your pizza dough. What kind of crazy person are you?
The kind that knows how to make pizza.
Do you really put a hole in your pizza?
I don't know. Do I?
I don't know if you're being serious.
I put a hole in the pizza, yeah. Pizza is just a giant circle, so it doesn't matter if there's a hole in it.
Yeah, but we don't want our toppings falling out of the middle.
They won't fall out.
If I go to pick up the pizza and there's a hole in it,
Very nice. Wow.
you know, the last pizza that you made was a lot better than this.
Listen, that's because I had a Don now. He's a master pizza maker.
Okay, now I know you're lying.
What are you talking about? Are you insulting one of your students?
Well,
These Dion's employees really are the hardest workers I think ever. I don't know how they do this, but they do it fantastically every single time. Consistency is key.
they must do it very efficiently too.
Yeah, I mean, Dion's. If you have any trainers that you want to send over here,
We need them desperately.
please let us know. That'd be very helpful for us to learn how to properly make pizza. And I mean, wow. You know what? Actually, I think it's. Now that I'm looking at it, this might be better than Dion's.
I think we shaped it. There's a coyote in there somewhere.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see
Look,
how big?
there's the
That's the
ears.
outline.
Yeah.
We did it.
outline.
But
No,
we
that
did
was
it on
wow.
purpose. We totally did that. on
Fantastic. Look at
purpose.
that. Yeah, and we'll do that.
All right, I think we can sauce it now.
Yeah, and I actually have an idea. Let me stitch that up. All right. Fire. Uh-oh.
Why are you keep ruining it?
I'm not ruining anything. See? Beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, okay. There you go.
And then. It's actually
That
gonna
looks like a bunny.
You look like a bunny.
Okay. Let's sauce this thing.
Yeah, let's do that, please.
I really like
Start that
Our
one.
production value slipping as we go.
Go along.
Oh, you want me to reopen it?
Yeah.
Alright. So let's pop the cap off. That's how we do it right there. There you go, Coach Vidal. I'll let you open that.
Oh, man, give me the hard part. Huh?
I don't have nails.
There we go.
And we'll pass it to Miss B for the assist.
Oh. Do you guys like tag people in, Coach? There's that track. Am I thinking of track?
That'll be a track thing, so we get the relays going, pass the baton over, let the rest of the team do the work on that
Which
time.
you do also coach track, right?
Yes, I am one of the coaches for track and work with the long distance kids and with pole vault athletes as well. I'm just trying to help out wherever I can on the track team.
How long have you been coaching for?
I have been coaching since 2015, so about 11 years. 11.5 years at this point.
Did you do track in college or?
Yeah, so I did cross country and track in high school. From there, I was able to go to Long Beach City College, and then ended up in New Mexico at Highlands University. Unfortunately, we didn't have a track team, but I did get to run cross country there.
Awesome, yeah.
Nice. You know, I've become to learn to run. I never used to like running, but I definitely enjoy the benefits of it now.
Yeah, it's a great sport to kind of get into. It's good for your mental health and just kind of overall health as well, your cardiovascular system, all these things. It shows
You know
a lot of
what?
great benefits.
I like that you say that because I feel like mental health is really important for us to focus on now, and kids need an outlet. So if you guys want to run cross country,
Yeah,
Coach
we'll be
Vidal's
starting
your
up
guy.
in June.
June?
Yeah.
Perfect. You might catch me out there too.
And I've heard
Join you
the
guys.
I've heard the slogan. It's all pain, no gain. Is this true?
The team slogan is "Decipite," which means learn to suffer. So in a sense, yeah, all pain, no gain, and that's also not only a running model but kind of a life model. Things aren't always going to go smooth, so you got to be able to know how to deal with those things when those rough times come.
Yeah, yes sir. All right, Miss B, if you're done eating the cheese, do you wanna?
Yeah, just save me some because I really like the cheese.
So I like quite a bit of cheese. So we'll see if
Alright,
we're
great.
able to save some. I think we'll have space.
I think
Since our
we made
pizza's a little
coyote pizza small
small.
enough.
Yeah.
What do they call it? Like a calzone?
Calzone, yeah.
There we go.
We could have
Coyote
definitely
calzone.
done that. Oh,
Look at that.
might be a food truck item.
You might see that in the future, just so you
Is that
know.
enough cheese
And if you
for-
do, that's all me.
All right, chef.
All right, so we're gonna do a very special pizza here today. It's gonna look absolutely amazing, and we're actually gonna get very creative here.
My son loves to put happy faces on his pizza.
And I'm gonna make a coyote. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the little ears there. All right. What does a coyote nose look like?
It's
A little triangle.
small.
There you go. There you go. You got a little coyote nose there.
I think I
There you
might
go.
be a
Am I gonna
little
eat this?
Yeah, you can have that.
disappointed with the amount of pepperonis that you're not using.
Pepperoni tastes good.
There you go. And now, make a little smiley face.
These are some really good pepperonis too.
Yeah, they are. Did you know that in a kitchen you're never supposed to eat the ingredients?
I never heard that rule.
Well, these are going to be extra, so we don't want things to go to waste.
Yeah, fair enough. Wow. I mean, can you tell me that is not the greatest pizza you've ever seen? Dion should hire me immediately. Please, I need a job.
I think that we intentionally messed our dough up so that we can make the coyote.
Listen, it's all a part of the process. All right. So, I mean, what's left to do now? I think we just throw it in the oven, right?
Yeah, well, Dion's does give you instructions, and it says to bake it for 12 to 14 minutes. It's on the inside of the box and at 450 degrees. So, you think you can handle it, or do we gotta hand it over to Coach Vidal?
We'll hand it out to the
There you go,
where's the oven
Coach.
at?
This one right over here.
So it feels pretty warm in there. All right. Be back in here. All right, so our time is up, so we're gonna check out our pizza. It is looking pretty good.
Wow, look at that.
So we'll take it over here and we'll do the taste test, right?
Yep, this is a pretty beefy coyote, I'd say.
That's all right. Wow.
Something like
So we're actually gonna cut this part out. Your discretion is advised. So you guys don't have to see it. I don't even know.
he said that's not that hot.
Oh yeah, look at that. I can hear the water. That is a really good question. If you do this at home, make sure not to overwork your dough.
So don't iron.
But as you guys are new here. Every time we make something has to go wrong. It's just, I mean, it's tradition at this point. So,
It's a learning experience.
of course. So, you want a piece?
Sure.
Yeah.
Of course.
Do you have a? Oh, I have to do it with my hands. It's hot.
I mean, everyone could just kind of grab their own, no?
Yeah, fair enough.
Look at that. Wow.
That's not high quality cheese right there.
That is a high quality cheese.
That's not high quality cheese right there.
I'm gonna just tear it off right there.
I'll take the most carbs.
Most carbs.
Yeah.
Alright, it's a little hot, so I think we should be a little cautious when we're tasting this.
I'm just gonna go in, man.
Okay.
All right. Dig in.
It is pretty hot. I told you. Maybe blow on
That's
it
why I was
a
a
little
little
bit.
hesitant. There's a lot of steam coming off.
That is so good and so delicious.
You have sauce. You have sauce on your chin.
Wow, the quality of ingredients is so amazing, and it's wow. I'm in so much pain.
I can't believe you just bit it like that.
I was hungry.
Okay. I think mine is kind of
One
cool.
bite. Mine has cooled off a bit.
Oh, you guys haven't been taking a bite yet?
Oh. Patience.
Patience is a virtue.
That is really good.
It might not look like one, but it still tastes like a Dion's pizza. So, you know,
The quality of the
looks
taste
don't
is
always
still there.
matter. It's all about quality.
Actually, it was really delicious.
Okay.
It is good. I'm enjoying it
I'm enjoying it. It's great.
without burning my mouth, but
You open up.
thank you.
Thank you, Coyotes, for joining us today on our pizza journey. And thank you, Coach Vidal, for coming into the kitchen with us and showing us your pizza skills.
I want to give a special thanks to Dion's. So sorry. I want to give a special thanks to Dion's for letting us use their pizza kits. It was absolutely delicious, and I recommend anyone who wants to make their own pizza, just get a Dion's pizza kit. It's convenient.
Yeah, likewise. Thank you guys for the invitation. It was great, and got to have a little bit of breakfast. It's really good. Yeah.
Breakfast and some fun.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys, and keep cooking, Coyotes.